Hello and welcome to Graphastic. This is me Fazilat Ali Ahmed, and in today's tutorial we will learn to add glow effect on specific object using Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. Open the image. Unlock this layer by clicking the lock. Pick the quick selection tool and select the shirt. Press Alt and click on the areas to deselect it. Right-click and select Make Work Path option. Keep tolerance to 1 and click OK. Select the brush tool and resize it to 10 pixels. Keep the foreground color white. Pick the pen tool. Make a new layer. Right-click and select Stroke Path. Click OK. Create another layer. Select the brush tool and resize it to 80 pixels. Select the eyedropper tool and select the color of shirt. Choose a brighter shade from here. Now again select the pen tool. Right-click and select Stroke Path. Click OK. Move this layer under layer 1. Keeping the layer selected, go to the Filter tab, Blur and Gaussian Blur. Adjust the level of blur using slider. Click OK. Our neon glow effect is ready. Using this technique, you can choose any object and can add glow to it. That's all for today. Hope you like it and learn from it too. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and do subscribe my channel as I'm gonna upload more videos that will help you grow. If you have any queries, feel free to contact either on Instagram, Facebook, or you can also comment here. I will catch you in the next video. Happy learning!